Ingkoy ratrok ang ding hanjang langso don surya klamalong KLMI pia pharman dode sang sepen kachisi. KARBI Youth Organization atumpen KARBI anglong disilapen ADC atumapan karchu. Winter Prize Money Football Championship angdung kiti. Kardom Lili KARBI prime time along pen durmi bepi non arjik the bertang ton pen hanjang langso don surya klam along inkora trok angdeng kewangji surinira trainer cap aningkar arkoi ni phai trainer cap pen inkora isi arni an niplia pharman ningkana sek amai pi KARBI lamedamai kapadu ponjia phan chesik chadang ponbomlu KARBI hemtun ahem ki kim kirang pon laki hanjang langso ronga sara jumpen cepatir PC kimrang pon bomlu lamet lamchong ingcholim keduk kenang sot akhai tin alongta lasi methanga lamet lamchong lapu anso se kapang chodun thekjia puthaksi hanjang langso ronga sara tumda hanjang langso don surya klamalong ingkor atrok angdeng KARBI lamet amai mesen pen kapachun thekjia phan dode sang se pen charap chotodun rinti card news apher angke ananterang pen nangkilo berta KARBI Youth Organization Kongchun Bang Sim Teron Pen Japon Si KARBI Anglong Deputy Commissioner Lapen Additional Deputy Commissioner Atuma Phan Matijong Nipai Inkora Sirkep Arni Karcho Damasai Kedeng Kedam Tang Aro Chiklo Nipai Po Arni Hithi Royalong Pong Thomlang Berlang Thak Dibrugarh Guwahati Kacharenga Train Dibrugarh Guwahati Shatabdi Express Difu Railway Station along Pasang Nangjipura Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu Phan Panong Si KARBI Anglong Adisi Adil Khan Phan Pinpur Alu Epak Pajirlo Kebayo Asong Tum Ke Hang Tengpen Dibrugarh Guwahati Shatabdi Express Difu Railway Station along Ke Pasang Asai Padopon Tanglo Laso Apo Taxi Matijong Nipai Inkora Sirkep Arni KARBI Anglong Disi Adil Khan Lapen ADC Sonowala Tuma Phan Karcho Dam Pusi Kebayo Kongchun Bang Si Im Teron Pen Kadnu Sa Pheran Ke Anglo Nang Pachini Dun Non malom so por phan dihina pharman birta mointon ponik sinan Have one bite of sweetness in your little and great celebration and occasion. Taste it today at Ashoka Sweets, the Soy Building, MG Road, Difu Market.
Kardom kan suri na kren at ke panikan ona letang lo lasi labang so ningkan il tum KARBI ang rak stame am se kaching thurun ji aphan la pen ningkan sam ke do pen il tum bong kan so se pakhang the ji aphan nili hen pen na me ju me han ji lo la pen ka to ko ye aphan stame to ko ye rak aphan stame ningkan suri ni rak kren at ke panikan ke mesenji warning je theban sin an tum ka to aphan stame akardom no chapa ji do lo kardom
Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available. List of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming. Full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup. List of facial, signature galvanic facial, signature Aureladas facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road, near Atur Kimi Outlet, Difu, KARBI Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Deka, 9435539500.
Well, I, Sri Bida Singh Rongpi, General Secretary, KARBI Anglong District Congress Committee, would like to extend my heartiest greetings to each and every citizen of KARBI Anglong District, as well as the state of Assam and the entire nation on the occasion of the New Year 2018, as well as Bhugal Bihu of the Assamese Society and Rongker of the KARBI Society. And on this occasion, I would like to appeal to each and every citizen to imbibe the idea and concept of university in diversity in each one of them.
Holy Child Academy, Lurulangso, Difu KARBI Anglong. New admission starts from 15th of December 2017 for the class of playgroup to class 5. The new classes will start from 8th of January 2018. The academy provides many facilities such as computer education, secure environment, music and dance class, art and painting class, playroom, audio-visual room, school tuition, daycare, school tiffin, smart class, child development center, etc. Parents and guardians are requested to collect the admission form from the principal office at office hours. For more details, please contact at 9854-143-772 or you can also contact at 03-671-27900. Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji. Dihina mo piputot berta along Wangtulo. Don Bosco Higher Secondary School along Matejong Nipai Ingkora Sirkep Arni 1997-2007 abet atum alumni meet Mate Charlie Rapet abang pobang piatum an Luka Charlie ahem pialong chatong pet pen katalon ponasai kedeng. Don Bosco Higher Secondary School along 1997-2007 abet satum Luka Charlie ahem pialong chatong pet pen ong dunga jai mek deng ponsi katalon asai pachun ponlo jai mek ateng pen ada porpai chokra atitim apor pen walkathon porpai nyarkep apor pen skulawai kanglong anso kicho porpai sirkep apor pen team building and other games anarlo chitim porpai krihnia por tamari kicho Arnitili kethom rajtim apor pen cultural program hai hui mesen pen pachun ponsi ajo porpai nyarkep apor malom tamari chopuri pen alumni meet along kachitong dun abang phubang phi chepadirin tilo Buradaran Football Club atum pencapatir P.C. Surinira Kretroksi aningkan aparman ke Chengsi Angdeng Winter Prize Money Football Championship Buradaran arong patuak lamalong ke damtang Matijong Nipai Ingkoy Arni pen pang Chengsi Matijong Nipai Ingkora Sirkep Arni an angdung kiti patuponlo Winter Prize Money Football Championship angdung kiti ke patu along Mai Phudi Lip Sing teron pen kachapayam pupon amay along aluhi ke pachini apor Chunbang Horen Sing teron pen si apor enlo aluhi aman pen Sarabathar VDC Chairman Riso Singnar VDC Klembang Kapuing TP BJP Block Model Klembang Lokhiram Rongpi SJB Longki teron JE Riso Singnar Samson Timung lapen kethe kining atum chatong dun angdung kiti ke patu arnitili ke thom rachitima por pen Harder FC pen Pator Sarpo FC ang bongsi patulo kapathu ke cheng pen Harder FC atum ke pathu ke thek munak ajok apor ke jut ahut anke Harder FC goal ke thom lapen Pator Sarpo FC atum goal isi anta pithek thedetlo ke hayata ranaphan ke chatong dun alhi atum pen si cash money pachir ponsi mesen pen angdung kiti ke pathu pachun ponlo Pini KARBI Prime Time berita bang kalapon sekang ton pon inglo lang ingpom thakat news channel domai thakme korwang 2